To move data from USB flash drive to Xiaomi 17 or the other way around, what you can do is after connecting your USB flash drive, you can go to the file manager. This is an app that we have of course pre-installed, and in here you can search for all your files that you have either on your phone or on the USB flash drive. So for now, I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from the phone to the USB flash drive. In this case, you can either use these types or categories that we have available in here. You can also tap on more in order to see more of these, or you can use these folders that we have below. This is pretty much the whole storage of our device. And in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose images in here. I'm gonna transfer a couple of images as an example. In this case, I'm just gonna press and hold my finger on the first image. We can of course select multiple files at once. And then what you need to do is you need to tap on Move at the bottom of the screen. Now, since I'm transferring from the phone to the USB flash drive, in here I choose USB storage. And then in here I can decide where those files are supposed to be placed. So let's say I'm gonna go to this DCAM folder over here. I'm just gonna save it in here by using this check in the upper right corner. And there we go. Now these files have been transferred. If I now open the USB device storage, you will see that in that exact folder I have my files moved. If you want to transfer from the flash drive to the phone's storage, then of course you want to select the USB device in order to open the USB storage. Then just find your files that you want to transfer, and you want to do exactly the same thing. So select them. You want to press and hold your finger on the first file and then select everything else that you want to transfer. And then tap on Move at the bottom of the screen. This time, of course, we need to choose the internal storage since we are transferring from the USB device to the phone's storage. And then we need to decide where those files should be placed, just like before. So let's say I'm just gonna move them over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.